Hello, good weekend. Yeah, it's weekend. Hello, greetings from Holland. I'm sailing and I have here a Dutch friend. His name is Hans. And I've taken over the what's this? The steering wheel. We're going to a beach. What's the name?
Beach.
A beach? Yeah.
Wait, huh? Oh, we are wrong.
Beach boss.
Wrong?
The wrong side. We need to turn around.
Okay. We may be lost among these islands where the Rhine River meets the North Sea, but we have food and we have to improvise. Dip for our fried fish. Join us, join the fun. This is the Channel 1 special. Hello, we are next to the river or to the lake. Cameraman, show the lake, please. And that's our boat. Yeah, that's our boat. And my man and Grace here.
I'm
my
here
man
again.
and Grace
Hello.
here. You miss her already. Is going to make. What are you going to make, Mana? Sawsawan daw.
Sawsawan ng
It's a dip.
isda.
It's a tomato dip for fried fish. So that's our menu today. What do you need, Manang, for this recipe?
Just
Just tomato
tomato and fish sauce.
and fish sauce
Of salt.
or salt.
Lemon. Yeah.
So tomato with fish sauce for dips.
Yeah.
And
Citron.
lemon.
Lemon.
Very nice color.
Mango?
It goes perfectly well in contrast to her dress. Look at that.
Manga.
Yeah. And what else do we have for today? Although we're not. Are we adding this manga?
Yeah, you can add it.
Yeah, manga. Yeah.
Okay.
That's our recipe today.
Yeah.
And we'll be eating this with. We have here soup. What is this?
Beef nilaga.
Beef nilaga. Oh, yeah. Which was made by Grace. No, my manang spare, sorry. To the left. And
Hello.
Chicken.
and what's this? It's Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Instant.
Oh, fried chicken a la Kentucky. Or Jollibee, a la Jollibee style.
Yes.
And we have here also Alex, our #1 supporter here in Holland. Yeah. And not to mention, he is the bitter half of Manang Grace. So Manang Grace is taken.
Already taken.
This is tomato dips with
Fish sauce.
fish sauce,
And lemon.
lemon, and as an option,
Mango.
Sawsawan a la Grace. You're watching Channel 1, by the way, and this is special because today we are sailing and we are enjoying food next to a body of water, a lake. Yes, what's life in Holland without a lake?
And without food.
Yeah. When 2 or 3 people are gathered, there should be food.
Oh.
And Botterham, bawal ang Botterham dito. We don't eat sandwich for lunch. It's in our credo as Filipinos. Please, no sandwich for lunch. There should be rice. Or at least pasta. There you have it, a quick tomato dip. Anyone can do it. On behalf of my friends here, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. And don't forget to join us again next time, either at the small kitchen or at the garden for more cooking and discovery and growing. Your kuya and uncle here in Holland. Today, from the estuary in Holland. Until next time.
They